Hey guys, it's that Dividend guy coming at you with another Robinhood portfolio update. We're going to look at the overall portfolio performance, the individual stocks, and then look at my two growth stocks and watch list as well. So let's take a look at the portfolio today. We are up about $200, which is nice. It's good to see a spike there, up to about $2,200. For the week, we're up 812, up 4%. For the month, we're down 768.26, down 3.5%. The 3 month mark, we're down $42, a 0.2%, which is phenomenal. For the year, we're up 509. As you can see, that huge drop in March that hit everybody pretty hard. We were down over 3K, but we've since recovered, which is great. We're at 509.75, up 2.47% in the past year. And then all time, since April 13th of 2018, we're up $721. Again, look at this huge peak here in December, about almost 2,300. Yeah, hit $2,300 in the portfolio, and then we dropped all the way down to 17K, 17.5. So, as you can see, a lot of fluctuation in the market, but we're gonna hold strong. 2 years is nothing, guys. This is gonna be a portfolio I'm planning on holding until retirement, past retirement. So this is going to be like a 40 plus year portfolio. So I'm not worried about 2 years. I'm expecting a lot of volatility, especially given the pandemic. So my goal is to buy quality dividend paying companies that will pay me more no matter what. And if they cut the dividend, then I cut them. It's simple and easy. I keep the portfolio healthy. Anything that cuts, I do not keep in the portfolio. So let's take a look at the stocks that I own. Starting off with a quality dividend aristocrat, one of my personal favorites in the portfolio, Realty Income, ticker symbol O. We have 15 shares, $956 of market value. Average cost is $45.38. 4.52% of the portfolio is in Realty Income. We are up $275.55, up 40.5% on Realty Income. And we do have a nice dividend coming in of $3.51 on 15 shares. Then we have Altria Group, 149 shares, $6,000 of market value. Average cost is $43.61, so a decent cost on average opportunity there. 28.5% of the portfolio is in MO. We're down $480, but we do have a dividend coming in of $128.14 on my 149 shares. Can't complain about that. Those dividends will be going into a stock on the watch list this month because AT&T's ex-dividend date is the day before, so it's today. It's the day before Altria pays. So Altria pays me $128 tomorrow, but AT&T's ex-dividend date was today, so in order to get the dividend from AT&T, I would have had to buy it today. But I'm not salty about it. I'm not worried about it. I did sell out of Target stock, and I put that money into AT&T this month. So I went from like 71 shares to 126. So I'm still getting more money in AT&T stock than I would have before anyway. So not super worried, and I will share the stock that I'm planning on buying this month with those dividends from Altria. Next, we have one of my personal favorites in Coca-Cola. We have 20 shares, a little more than $1,000 of equity. 51.26 is our average cost, so a small cost down average opportunity there. 4.7% of the portfolio is in Coca-Cola, down 14.50, down 1.5% here. Not super worried about it. I love Coca-Cola. Next is one of our really good cost down average opportunities in the portfolio. This is one that if I was back to work, I would be focused on. I know I want to put money towards Coca-Cola, but sometimes deals are just too good to pass up. I would put the 1K into Coca-Cola, but anything else, including dividends for 36912, will be going into FRT. So I have one share, 79.72 is our market value. Average cost is 113.40. 0.4% of the portfolio is in FRT. We're down 33.68 today, down about 30%. Do have a dividend coming in of $1.06, but it's only one share. This is one of those high quality REITs. They are a dividend king, so they've paid and increased for 50 plus years. They're going to be a staple in the portfolio. Honestly, they're up there with Coca-Cola. I think they're a quality company, and I would love to add more. Sorry, my dog's walking. I don't care. I'm going to keep recording because if I quit recording every time something happened, then I'd never get a video out. Um, but I am down, but a good cost on average opportunity on a quality REIT, and I do want real estate to be a decent portion of the portfolio, and FRT and Realty Income are going to be two of the big players in that space for the portfolio. Then we're on to the next set of months with lows, a Dividend King. We have 2 shares. 341.74 is our market value. Average cost is $100.86. 1.62% of the portfolio is in lows. We are up $140.02, up almost 70% on lows here. They did do a nice 9% dividend increase. I do wish I had more lows, but as you guys can see, I'm up $70 a share, so I'm not touching it right now. If it goes back down to about $100, even $110, I would consider buying it. Then we have AT&T, my golden darling for this set of months. Just ticked that I can't put the money for Altria into AT&T, but that's okay. We did boost up our share count. We have 126 shares, $3,600 of market value, 29.68 is our average cost. Crazy that we finally got that below $30 because it was up to 38 for a long time, and I refused to buy it. But now we're up 17% of AT&T in the portfolio. We're down 130.99, down 3.5%. But again, not worried about it because these are the prices that I really wish I could buy at. And these are the prices I've been waiting to buy at for a while. So if you're looking to get into AT&T, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research and whatnot. But for me personally, this is a steal. Anything I can have a cost on average opportunity like this on for a quality dividend paying stock, I'm going to jump in. Next, we have AbbVie. This one I'm not touching for the opposite reason. So AT&T I want to buy more of. AbbVie I'm not touching with a 10-foot pole. I have 60 shares, $5,200 of equity. Average cost is $72.22. 24.8% of the portfolio is in AbbVie, and we're up $917 or 21% on AbbVie. The opposite of AT&T, as you guys can see, my average cost is $72.22, so I would be going up about $15 a share for AbbVie. I'm not doing that. I want it to come back down. Hopefully, when the Humira patent, if it hasn't already gone out, and generics are going to take over the market, hopefully that will make AbbVie kind of drop down. They're a quality dividend-paying stock. I love them. I just don't love them at this price. Next, we have quality Dividend King in J&J. We have 2 shares, about $300 of market value. Average cost is $135.79. 1.4% of the portfolio is in J&J. We're up 26.20, up 9.65% on J&J. Followed by another King in 3M. We have 2 shares, $336.98 is our market value. Average cost is $147 and some change. About 2% of the portfolio is in 3M. We're up 42.43, up 14.4% on 3M. Then ExxonMobil down to 135. Wow. We have 84 shares, about $3,000 of market value. Average cost is $53.20. 14% of the portfolio is in ExxonMobil, and we're down about $1,500, down 33.14%. I will be buying more of ExxonMobil. If I had the cash, I would be putting it in and pouring it into ExxonMobil right now. Next is Walgreens. We have 6 shares, $223.02 is our market value. Average cost is $39.92. 1.05% of the portfolio is in Walgreens. We're down $16.47, down about 7% in Walgreens. Then we have Aflac. We have 1 share of this Dividend Aristocrat. $38.36 is our market value. Average cost is $35.75. 0.18% of the portfolio is in Aflac. Today we are up $261, up 7.3% on our 1 share. That closes out the portfolio. Currently, the best deals for me are FRT, AT&T, and ExxonMobil. But as for the watch list, we're starting off with my personal bank. U.S. Bank at about $40 a share is a steal. Definitely buying it there. PepsiCo at $137. I'm not touching. Kimberly-Clark at $150. Not touching quite yet. This is the stock I will be buying with Altria's dividends tomorrow, so I will be doing a dividend update for you guys. Plus, I will be covering how many shares I buy of People's United Bank, PBCT. With the dividends, but I'm excited. They are a dividend aristocrat. They pay 18 cents a share. I need about 98 shares to be dividend efficient, which is like $800. So it's literally a month of investing once I get back to work to be dividend efficient in the stock. The only issue is it's so cheap that it doesn't really buy me anything else for the next month, but more cash is more cash. So I am going to be using the $130 that I have to buy more shares, or excuse me, to initiate a position in PBCT, I will cost down average. And if this is a good value versus say an AT&T, or I can buy enough shares that it beats out AT&T on a dividend perspective, then I will be buying PBCT instead. But at $11 a share, about $6 of upside, I will definitely take it. The difference is the spread on this stock isn't as drastic as say something like a Pepsi or a Kimberly Clark or even an AT&T. AT&T went from 28 to 38. They go from 11 to 17. So you're not going to get a lot of upside. Anything below about a $13 to $14 range, I would take. I'm not going to get a lot of upside or appreciation in the stock. Really, it's about holding it and getting the dividends and being dividend efficient and letting it by itself. So I'm going to be buying PBCT when I get those dividends tomorrow. Next, we have Colgate at 78, not enough upside at all, only $2. Starbucks at $90, only $4 of upside, not taking that, not buying it. 141, not buying that. SX is a steal. This is going to be one of the main real estate plays in the portfolio with Realty Income. Then we have FRT, then SX Property Group, and McDonald's, and then I added Public Storage back because I just love the business model. Then we have Black Hills. This is the utility for the portfolio, and I would definitely buy it at 58. Next, Mickey D's at 227. I'm not touching that. It's $1 off its 52-week high. Public Storage at 232. 52-week high is 249, so I'm not touching it there. Next, we have our growth with Apple at 115 is a steal. Love Apple. I might even break my rule and put the $1,000 for the month into Apple once I get back to work, especially if it stays at these decreased prices. And then Disney at 123. $30 of upside or $20 of upside in the stock. So definitely want to buy me some Disney right now. There are some really good deals right now, being FRT, AT&T, ExxonMobil is a great deal right now. PBCT is a good deal. SX is a steal. Black Hills is a great deal. And Apple and Disney. So 7 stocks are, in my opinion, phenomenal deals right now. Anyways, guys, that wraps up the portfolio. We're above 21K again, which is great. Remember to hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, That Dividend Guy. I do apologize, guys. I know I did not post during the beginning of the week. I actually had a procedure done on Tuesday, which then I came home, I was kind of loopy, and I just went to sleep. So I do apologize. I was getting prepped on Monday, and then Tuesday I had the small operation. So I'm good now. I will be posting tomorrow. I can't promise that the dividend reinvestment is going to be in the video tomorrow because a lot of times companies actually pay after after the market closes. So if that's the case, I'll just post a video on Saturday and show you guys how many shares I bought at PBCT. All right. So remember to hit the subscribe button on my channel, That Dividend Guy. When you do, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any updates. I will be posting tomorrow and probably Saturday because I have a feeling that Altria is going to be paying me after market close. But with that being said, guys, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow in another dividend investing video. See you then.